Take a look at this gorgeous 1958 Mercury Turnpike steering wheel, restored completely from the metal up. What we did on this one is we stripped all the old plastic all the way down to the metal core and had the metal core re-chromed completely, sandblasted and chromed. Looks gorgeous. Then we made a mold before we took the old plastic off of the steering wheel, and when it got finished with the chroming process, we molded the steering wheel completely out of our plastic molding resin. It's not just any off-the-shelf plastic molding resin. It's really a high temperature, high quality, high durability plastic resin. And then we refinished it back to that new factory paint color. So it is absolutely going to be a stunning finish to his restoration project. So whatever you need, reach out to us here at Craft Customs. Any steering wheel in the world, and this just goes to show. Interesting point, this has got a flat bottom on it, which is the way it was done from the factory. We did not do that. It was flat bottomed from the factory, which you didn't see much of that in 1958. So any steering wheel in the world, craftcustoms.com, you're going to love what you get. We guarantee it.